Bye, bye.
Clap your hands, be.
Clap, clap.
Sige na. You already know na how to clap your hands, diba? Check.
Clap, clap.
Wala, kasi nakasakay sa bike. Ayaw mag-clap. Gusto-gusto niya yung bike na yun eh. Ano, Daud? You like it? Ha? Mahirap kasi the one you bought, mommy, cause walang sandalan tsaka walang harang. Kaya kaya dyan na lang muna namin. If he really knows na how to sit down, yung makabalance na siya, tsaka namin siya papasakayin dun sa bike na binili mo, mommy. Binili niya ni Baba. Ano, Daud, ano? Daud! Look at that. Say hi to Mommy and Baba, be. Look.
Rat lang yung kain eh.
Anything he puts it in his mouth.